Hello guys, hope you guys enjoyed the very short unboxing video. I'd like to give a special shout out to Nick from Nick Construction's Diecast for a smooth transaction of this new arrival, the Caterpillar 980G. I've always wanted this model and I finally got it. Now about the unboxing videos, I gotta make this quick, the battery's dying. About the unboxing video that you watched, I wanted to try something new. I wanted to do like a music type, you know, silent unboxing video, I should say. Mainly because I'm kind of tired of hearing my own voice. I know that's kind of weird, but you know, it is what it is. But if you guys like those type of videos, you know, comment below. And if you do not like those type of videos and you want to hear the original, which is fine, comment below. So yeah, hope you guys have a nice Saturday. Even though the unboxing portion was filmed on Thursday, didn't have time to edit the video Friday because I was taking a nap. I was pretty tired. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a good weekend. See you next time.